Let's talk about executive disability insurance plans and the scatter graph. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to get into too much detail on plan designs, GSI underwriting, or things like forms of covered compensation. I'm going to focus on the basic concept of executive DI using a 60% restoration plan. As you can see, we have a scatter graph. The horizontal axis is showing income and the vertical is showing the income replacement ratio of the long-term disability insurance coverages. With the 60% plan, the goal is to get everyone to 60% income replacement. Since we are discussing executive disability, we are only including those whose earnings are over and above the group LTD cap, which for this case study, the group LTD is 60% up to 10K, leaving all employees earning over $200,000 underinsured. The first step here is to identify the problem. Each red dot represents an executive, and their earnings are found on the horizontal axis at the bottom of the graph. In red, you can see how the higher the income of the executive, the lower their income replacement ratio is. For example, the executive all the way on the right only has about 12% income replacement from the group LTD. And the executive earning 300K has an income replacement ratio of about 40%. This leaves significant gaps for these highly compensated employees. The good news is that there's a solution. The second step in the process is to implement an additional layer of disability coverage using IDI or individual disability insurance for the highly compensated executives who earn above 200K. Hopefully this can be done on a GSI or guaranteed standard issue basis. As you can see, this helps move the red dots up to the blue dots, increasing their income replacement ratio. For the 5 executives still under the 60% threshold, we move on to step 3 and go to a Lloyd's of London cover holder to see if they can help cover the remaining gap for the 5 very highly compensated executives on the right side of the graph. As you can see, by adding this third layer of coverage, the blue dots move up to the gray dots on the 60% income replacement line. In this case study, the use of group long-term disability or group LTD in combination with individual DI and high limit DI help all of the employees obtain an equal 60% income replacement in the event of a covered disability. If you are a benefits consultant or financial advisor and you're interested in learning more, feel free to contact me today and we can help your clients fix the coverage gap.